Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what to do if your Starling Bank card is lost or stolen. Losing your bank card can be stressful, but with Starling Bank, the solution is straightforward and can be done instantly through the app. The first thing you should do is lock your card. Open the Starling app, go to the Cards section, and simply tap the toggle to Card Locked. This will immediately prevent any physical or mobile wallet payments from being made with your card. If you find your card, you can easily unlock it using the same method. If you're sure the card is permanently lost or stolen, you need to cancel it and order a new one. In the app, go to Cards, scroll down, and select Cancel and Replace Card. Follow the on-screen instructions and choose Lost or Stolen. Once you've ordered a replacement, you can immediately add the new virtual card to your mobile wallet and start spending while you wait for your new physical card to arrive in the post. If you notice any transactions you don't recognize, or if you can't access the app, you should contact Starling's customer service immediately. You can reach them 24/7 by calling 0207-9304-450. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.